Hello everyone, welcome to Zimstek Media. This is our weekly roundup. In case you missed the news, Tanya Masiwa, the daughter of Zimbabwean billionaire Strive Masiwa, has welcomed her first bungalow of joy. The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZEC has appointed Mr. Simbarashe Tongai as its new chief elections officer with immediate effect. A former leader of the main opposition in Zimbabwe, Nelson Chamisa, says he's aware of the suffering and pain that people are going through. He says that the problems that the masses are facing shall be solved in a unique way. And in other news, an amount of 7,310 United States dollars has been raised for jailed journalist Blessed Mhlanga's family through a fundraising campaign called the GoFundMe. The High Court of Zimbabwe has ordered the immediate suspension of Tinashe Mugabe's popular closure DNA show, citing a gross violation of personal privacy rights. On more news, Wicknell Chivayo has appointed 2 new pilots who will be aviating his private jets, Kundai Moganiri and Brian Chawasarira. Media personnel Trevor Ncube calls for the immediate release of journalist Blessed Mhlanga, who has spent more than 40 days behind bars on allegations of inciting public violence. A newly sworn-in Minister of Sports, Recreation, Arts and Culture, Honorable Lieutenant General Anselm Namo Sanyatwe, visited the Parliament of Zimbabwe for a familiarization tour. The Zimbabwean opposition politician Joanna Mamombe attended the 2025 annual policy dialogue on financing for sustainable development in Kenya, Nairobi. Wicknell Chivayo gifted Nehemiah Mutendi and wife with brand new cars worth 590,000 United States dollars. And yesterday, on Friday, E.D. Mnangagwa officiated the 3rd Africa Education Summit at the Elephant Hills Hotel in Victoria Falls. Happening in the coast of Zimbabwe, Magistrate Donald Ndirovei would deliver Blessed Mhlanga's bail ruling on Monday, the 7th of April 2025 at 11:15 hours. Wally Ten's wife Kimberly has been appointed brand ambassador of Organic Care. Stembizo Nyoni has been fired by Mnangagwa from position of Minister of Climate and Environment. Thank you for staying tuned. Once again, if you want more news, don't hesitate to like and subscribe.